see. Wow. Wow, guys.
It's honestly a revelation, especially if you live anywhere near coconuts. People eat it and they go,
It really does have the texture of fish, though. It does. I can see why people would ask you what kind of fish this is.
and it doesn't taste too coconutty. And with the tamari, the saltiness of the tamari and the spice of the wasabi, it's just amazing.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. And I look forward. Honestly, I have been in a very challenging places in my life, and I know what it feels like to be angry and betrayed, and sick and depressed. And the book I've written is to basically help everyone become a master of their disasters. So that's why it's called Never Let a Good Disaster Go to Waste. And hence coconuts. When a cyclone hits and you got nothing else to eat, you make coconut sashimi.
Awesome. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.